Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to connect with the SurrealDB using the Rust. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, go to the crates.io, select with the SurrealDB. We have to install this package, that is SurrealDB. So just copy this and paste that one into your terminal. Okay, after this installation, move to the code. So first of all, what we have to do, import the necessary crates, certs, surrealdb, and here we have a connect, auth, and the record id. Okay, so first of all we have to construct the person. Okay, so here we have the name and the marketing. Okay, after that go with the record id. Okay, so here we have, because sometimes we need custom id or sometimes we need automatic id, right? Okay, so first part, that connect to the db with the help of this localhost 8000. Make sure your surrealdb will run over there. So for that one, let's go to terminal. What command you have to add surrealdb start user, username, password. Okay, after this connection, okay, this will help you to connect to the SurrealDB, so it will start your engine. After that, we have to connect with the root credentials, sign in with that one, username and password, because here you can see I have connected with the root and the root. Make sure same credentials gonna be used into your code also, right? Select the namespace. So which namespace you have, so just make sure that the whatever namespace you have created, you can create. So currently it is test. Now create a record with the random id. So this will create the random id. If you want to debug the person, you can debug, otherwise comment this one. Okay, and this one we will check directly on the database like this record is inserted or not. So first of all, I'll go with the create a record with random id. Okay, so create person, and here I'm going to go with our Rajnikant. I'm going to add over here, and the name would be create a person. Content for the person name could be like this, and marketing will be true or false something. Okay, if I go and just run this one from here, so okay, it's run. Now check here with select staff from person, two records should be there. First one, that is Rajnikant. Okay, name is there, id person. Okay, id person is this one. So here you can see that I have added, you can customize your id, right? The last record that I have added with the, here you can see that the custom id. Okay, and here this is that one. Okay, so this is how you are able to connect to the SurrealDB using the Rust, right? So you can see that. So main thing, that is check the connection. Okay, sign in with the credentials and select the namespace. This is very important. After that, whether you want to do the insert, update, delete, whatever, you can go ahead with that one. Okay, so I think we should go with the full-fledged CRUD also later on. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.